Israel detains 11 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Israeli army carried out frequent arrest campaign across West Bank on pretext of searching for wanted Palestinians. Russia establishes new military base in northern Syria. Some 20 Russian military police, including officers, deploy in town of Amut, occupied by YPG-PKK terrorists. Bombing injures 3 Russian servicemen in northern Syria. Improvised explosive device goes off during regular joint patrol by Turkish and Russian forces near Ain al-Arab. Iraqi protest sets fire to Iranian consulate again. Consulate previously torched on November 28. Daesh attacks popular mobilization forces in Iraq. 2 killed, 5 injured in attack on group's headquarters in city of Diyala. $4 billion withdrawn from Lebanon banks over unrest. Lebanon suffers from high unemployment, little growth, and one of the world's highest debt ratios. Egypt hosts new round of talks on Ethiopian Nile Dam. Meeting discusses rules of filling and operating Ethiopian dam on Nile. Oman and Iran foreign minister hold talks in Tehran. In his third visit to Tehran in 9 months, Oman's top diplomat bin Alwi meets Iran's Zarif. UAE drones strike house in Libya, killing 11. Victims include 9 children, 2 women and one of them pregnant. House fire kills 13 Pakistanis in Jordan. 3 other Pakistanis injured in blaze. Ethnic group welcomes international lawsuit against Myanmar. Karen community suffering the same violence perpetrated by Myanmar military for decades. Says it is time for justice. Second phase of China-Pakistan free trade deal in effect. Agreement to allow Pakistani manufacturers and traders to export 313 new products to China on zero duty.